In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a few spoons and turn it into a ladybug. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm so excited to share with you this craft project. Today's craft project, we will be creating ladybugs out of spoons. Let me tell you exactly what you'll need in order to craft along with me. You will need hot glue, some spoons, paint brushes, some snips or some scissors, googly eyes, Mod Podge spray, some acrylic paint. I'm using lime green, black, and red, a canvas to put your ladybugs on, black glitter, and some black chenille stems. Let's get crafting now. Okay, rolling up my sleeves just a tad, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with painting the canvas first so that while my canvas is drying, I can go ahead and move on to my spoons. So, lime green is going to go onto my canvas, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour the paint straight onto my canvas. And I'm using a sponge, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint all of my canvas surface. Go ahead and do that. Cover it however you want to paint it, however strokes you want to do or patterns that you want to do on your canvas. Do it however you like. Get creative. Now moving on to my spoons. I'm going to put some red paint down. And I'm also going to put down some black. Holding the handle of my spoon, I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole spoon, the back of the spoon, red. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and put that aside, and I'm going to pick up another spoon and paint that one red as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clean my brush. And I'm going to use my black for the middle of the body. For one ladybug, you will need 3 spoons. 2 will be red and 1 will be black. Continue painting your spoons until you have enough spoons that will create the number of ladybugs that you wish to have on your canvas. And I'll meet you when you're done. Now that you have painted all your spoons, give your spoons time to dry. Now, if you don't want to wait until it air dries, you definitely can use your heat tool, and that will speed up the process. Now that your spoons are completely dry, we're going to go ahead and work on the dots for your ladybug. So this is where my bamboo skewer comes into play. I'm going to dip the back end of the skewer, and it makes a perfect dot. So putting that back of that bamboo skewer into your black paint, you can make perfect dots for your ladybug. And just putting dots all over your ladybug. Now, once you have put the black dots all over all of your red spoons, what you're going to do now is you're going to get ready to spray your spoons. Now, grab your black glitter because you'll need your black glitter for this part. Go ahead and grab your Mod Podge spray and spray your spoon. Okay, so there's your red and black polka dot one. Put it aside, let it dry. Here's the second one. Now for the black one, you're going to go ahead and spray it. Now that it's coated with the Mod Podge spray, I take my glitter and I sprinkle the glitter on it. And I'm going to put it aside to dry. Once my black spoons are dry, I'm going to actually take the Mod Podge spray again and spray it again to seal in that glitter. Continue painting all of the polka dots onto your spoons. Once you're done that and your spoons are dry, then we'll be ready to cut our handles off our spoons. Let me show you how to do that now. Let me show you the easiest way to cut your spoons so your spoons is not flying all over the room. Hold your spoon between your two fingers here and your thumb and the rest of your fingers holding your handle. So it looks something like this. You're going to take your snips or your scissors and you're just going to go ahead and cut it at the base of your spoon. Once you do that, nothing flies because you're holding your spoon and you're holding the handle. Okay, so now that my canvas is nice and dry and my spoons are all cut and nice and dry, what I'm going to do is create the ladybug's head. So I'm going to take 2 chenille stems and I'm going to fold them in half and I'm going to begin to twist them into a nice oval shape to create the face. And then I'm going to take a 3rd chenille stem and I'm going to stick up a little antennas and then I'm going to wrap the chenille stem around and around the face part. And then I'm going to stop in order to have 2 little antennas that are for the most part even. Okay, just like that. Then I'm going to take some hot glue and my googly eyes and I'm going to put some hot glue so that I can now glue the googly eyes into place. All right. I'm going to add the next eye. All right, so there we have the face and the googly eyes to create the ladybug's face. Now let's go ahead and build our ladybugs onto our canvas. The first thing that I'm going to do is, just to give my canvas a little shine, I'm going to spray it a little bit. I am going to give it another spray when I'm done. Let's get crafting and place our ladybugs onto our canvas. And I'll show you exactly how I'm going to do that now.
I'm going to place a black spoon down on the canvas first. And on the sides of the black spoon, I'm going to put my red spoons to create the ladybug body. I then am going to move on and add another black spoon onto my canvas. And I'm doing this just so that I can get an idea of how I would like to lay out all of my ladybugs onto my canvas. Because the hot glue is so hot, I did grab a paintbrush to use the back handle of the paintbrush in order to help me stick the spoons into the hot glue. And then I proceeded to move on with another black spoon and adding the 2 red spoons on the side. And then I'm moving on to my last spoon, making sure that the placement is exactly how I like it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the ladybug's head onto its body.
Now that my ladybugs are in place onto my canvas, I'm going to spray my ladybugs and the canvas with Mod Podge spray. Here is my completed ladybug spoon craft project. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.